माझे नाव विजयकुमार मोहन सुर्लकर आणि काल गोमंतक हिंदू प्रतिष्ठानान जे पास्टर डॉमिनिक आनी जोनाचेर आरोप केल्या आनी म्हाजेर जे आरोप केल्या तेज्या बद्दल आमी तांकां सांगूंक सोदता। हांव मागतां जेणें तें बरयलां तितून आर्टिकल 25 आनी 28 म्हणटा की आमकां जाय थंय वचपाक रायट आसा आनी जाय त्या प्रार्थना सभेक वचपाक आमकां रायट आसा आनी आमचो आमी रायट कोणा कडेन दिवंक ना, तो स्वता कडेन आसा। मागीर ते मदींच उलयतालो की आपूण रोमन कॅथलिकांकूय दुखता, हांकां दुखता। म्हाका एक सांग पळया, तुमी हिंदूचे समज उलयता जाल्यार हिंदूचेच उलया। फिलीप नेरी जो बिशप आसा, आर्च बिशप, तेणें रोमन कॅथलिकाचें सगळें हेजें शैलेश वेलिंगाच्या हातीन दिलां काय कितें? तेजें परमिशन आहा हाका अशें उलोवपाक? हांव मागतां तेंच्यांनी उलयता आसतना आपल्या सांबाळून उलोवचें, कोणाचे मदीं खंयचें मिक्सअप करचें न्ही, दोनी धर्म मिक्स करून उलोवं नाका, एकूच धर्माचें कितें आहा तें उलयात। सेकंडली ताणें म्हटलें की गाब्रिएल एक्का हेजो मर्डर जाला। 304 इज नॉट अ मर्डर, 304 इज अ एक्सिडंट केस। आनी तो गाब्रिएल एक्का थंय येयल्लो चर्चीन, तो वयता आसतना मागीर घसरून पडलो आनी मागीर ताका हॉस्पिटलान व्हरून एडमीट केलो आनी तेज्या भयणीन मागीर 164 हितून बरोवन दिलें की म्हाजो भाव थंय वचोन येवन चर्चीन मरोंक ना, तो मेला, तो हॉस्पिटलान मेला आनी ती एक्सिडेंटल केस, ती मर्डर न्ही। तुवें जेन्ना म्हटलेलें 1989 पास्टान मर्डर केल्लो, हें तुजे कडेन घडोंक ना प्रूफ करूंक, म्हणून हें खंयचें कितें लावन कितें उलोवं नाका आनी लोकांचें मनां दुश्ट करूं नाका। लोक आपलें कितें तें जाणा आनी लोक पास्टर डॉमिनिक आनी जोना कितें कोणाक शिकयता ते आमचे गोंयचे लोक जाणा। हांव मागतां लोकांनी असल्या हेंचेर विस्वास दवरचो न्ही। हेजे प्रूफ आमी हे सगळे आमचे कडेन आसा, जे सगळे आमी कितें उलयलां ते प्रूफेबल आसा।
The Gabriel Eka case is given as a false information. The correct information is the final report 9613 filed by the Mapsa police before the JMFC. Gabriel Eka's death was a complete accidental death. However, Reverend Pastor Dominic D'Souza was only made a scapegoat for his death. Till date, in the legal opinion of the LDAPP MAPSA, it has come on record that the present offence has been registered due to misappreciation of the fact and hence the case is closed. My name is Zenobia Anil Kamath and I'm from Sholem. I'm here to inform the people to yesterday's news which was cited by Ankit Salgaonkar and Sailesh Velinkar on the various complaints and the multiple attempts to hinder the right to religion. Every citizen has the right to the petition to the government on the redressals and the grievances, and the RTI is used to extract information. However, Dominic and Joan have used the RTI to redressal and it cannot be termed as misused. Ankit Salgaonkar himself uses the RTI to extract information to put the RTOs and other officers into problem. The petition that was made to the SPCA against PI Manjunath Desai and ASI Rajaram Parab, FIR numbers 261 on 09 was registered by them on the basis of false complaint. This case was then dismissed. The case was dismissed on technical reasons and they have retired gracefully. However, the false case was persuaded by Dominic D'Souza in special civil case number 9/2012 A, and the order and decree was passed by the A Court, Mapsa, wherein the complainant tendered an unconditional apology to Dominic D'Souza and also admitted before the court and published it in all the newspapers that it was a false complaint, and the copy of the decree and the judgment was also forwarded to the DGP and the Special Branch Office for record and information. The minor curatorium petition was basically an issue created by Frankie Ribello, who did not take the mandatory permissions for the daytime sound, which further causing misleading and bad impression. His statement is further recorded at Kurtorim, Minor Kurtorim police station, which the record is with us. This gave an advantage to his partner, Bruno Ribello, for this incident to take place while he was in Iran. It seemed that Ankit Salgaonkar and his Facebook associate Sailesh Velinkar has not understood the real meaning of religion. However, religion is better defined by Honorable Supreme Court in the case of Commissioner versus Sri Lakshmindra Tirtha Swamiyer of Sri Shirur Mutt, reported in A 1954 SC 282, 1954 SCR 1005 is reproduced herein. Religion is certainly a matter of faith with individuals or communities, and it is not necessarily theistic. A religion has its base in a system of belief or doctrines which are regarded by those who profess their religion and conducive to their spiritual well-being. But it would not be correct to say that religion is nothing else but a doctrine or belief. I would also like to remind that the statement that they have made, that they have received from the SP South about the conversion. However, we have 4 reports from the SP South stating the opposite, which is as follows. Number PI stroke MAP stroke 6721 stroke SDM, dated 25th May 2011. Second, number SDPO stroke MAP slash I stroke 2004 stroke 2011, dated 2nd June 2011. Third, number SP stroke South Goa stroke reader stroke PET stroke 386 stroke 2015, dated 16 Feb 2015. Last, number PI stroke MAR stroke town stroke 7380 stroke 2016, dated 6th April 2016. I would also like to inform the people that Ankit Salgaonkar, he himself has complaints registered under him under section 341, 324, 34 of IPC before the Mapsa police station. You can have a zoom of the complaint that has been registered under his name. There is also another police complaint that is registered under him under section 509 of IPC and 67 of IT, which is clearly mentioning about the complaint. I request the Mapsa police station to kindly take note and also the press to see into the matter that they are airing on air. Thank you.
माझें नांव मारिया मंतेरो. हांव पास्टर डॉमिनिक डिसूजाची भयण. काल पळय आनीक सलवरकारान न्यूजान घातला कित्याक हांवें पास्टरान मांयक मारल्या म्हणून, पूण ते तशें न्हू. पूण हे कंप्लेन कितें म्हापसा पुलीस स्टेशनार, आनी हे कितें बरयलां पळय तें फॉल्स. कित्याक तेजें कितें बरयलां तें म्हाका कांयच खबर नासली, पूण सायन घेतली. ते सायन घेतल्या फ्रांसीस फेर्नांदीस. आनी आयज पासून आमकां पास्टर डॉमिनिक डिसूजा म्हाजो भाव पळयता आमकां, आनी आयज पासून आमकां म्हाज्या मांयक पासून पळयला सीख आसतना.
However, Maria Montero is my auntie and Reverend Pastor Dominic is my uncle. The case which she is referring is to the case which Ankit Salgaonkar spoke yesterday, which is incorrect. However, this case was fabricated by Mr. Francis Fernandez. However, she states that she has signed the complaint, but what was mentioned in the complaint was never told to her. And this is all fabricated by Mr. Francis Fernandez and his associates. Maria Montero states that Reverend Pastor Dominic has never hit his mother, and till date, as I am also the family members, he has never raised his hand against his mother. He has always taken care of the family. He has taken care of his sister till date, and till date he looks after the family. We request that these false propaganda that Ankit Salgaonkar is trying to tell the people is completely wrong, and it is not appreciated by us. Thank you.
23 तारखेक बुधवारा 23 तारखेक बुधवारा पणजे बस स्टँडार सगळ्या त्या भावांक आनी भयणांक हांव विनंती करतां, मोठ्या संख्येन निशेध सभाचो मोर्चा आमचो आसा. त्या मोर्चाक सगळे भाव भयणांनी येवचें. जय येशू.